Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inserting the element you want to move. Pick a shape, image, or text box and place it where the motion will begin. Once placed, make sure guides or grid are visible so alignment stays precise, and lock other items if needed. Next, open the Animations tab because that is where you'll choose the Motion Path effect. Click Add Animation and then Motion Paths. You're taking the first actionable step toward motion that looks intentional and clean. Now you draw or select the motion path itself. Choose a preset like lines, arcs, or turns for speed, or pick Draw Path to trace a custom route. Once the path is visible, click Edit Points to refine corners and curves, drag points, hold Shift to constrain angles, and use Delete to remove unwanted nodes. Then position the endpoint exactly where the element should stop, because precise endpoints prevent jumps. Finally, hit Preview to confirm the trajectory looks natural. Finish by controlling timing and behavior, set duration and delay so movement feels deliberate, and apply smooth start and smooth end for organic acceleration. Then open Effect Options to reverse the path or enable Rotate Auto so the object faces the travel direction. Once done, group animated elements if multiple pieces move together and preview the full slide. If the animation jumps or clips, make sure start and end position.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.